Meet the Level Lock, the world's first invisible smart lock designed to fit seamlessly inside your door. Thoughtfully crafted for effortless installation and battery replacement. And engineered from the ground up to deliver efficiency, reliability, and quality you can trust.
Flexibility. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the UltraLock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they close, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door.
An ordinary camera with an ordinary doorbell and an even more ordinary door lock. Huh, boring. This is 2022. It's time for 3-in-1 integration with Eufy Security Video Smart Lock. It's simple to install.
Easy.
I knew you could do it. Let's see what else Video Smart Lock can do. No matter what you're doing, see who's at your door and unlock it.
Really?
I said it, didn't I?
Hello, Mom. I'm home.
Easy, right? It works in cafes
Mom, let me in.
and at the office.
Mom, open the door.
Anytime, anywhere.
Can I check Video Smart Lock from space?
Sure, why not?
Mom, open the door.
That kid's going to need a bath.
Well, where's my phone?
You could have used your voice,
So how?
you know,
Hey Alexa, open the door. Like this?
just like that.
Wow.
Let's let them have fun.
Hey guys, thanks for coming.
Oh, check out those line thingies. That's your data. It'll be securely uploaded to your Chime for free. Let's go inside Video Smart Lock. Video Smart Lock features the fastest advanced fingerprint technology. Unlock in any situation and watch the self-learning AI increase its speed and accuracy the more often you use it. Kids can use it. Grandma can use it. It works in rainy weather and on snowy days too. And with dual detection technology, you'll know when anyone enters or leaves your home. Ugh, not this again. Can we get a hold of Mom?
Let's see how you like this, Mr. Thief.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Nicely done, Mom. Video Smart Lock protects your home and your family. Experience the ultimate convenience at your front door with advanced 3-in-1 integration. That's Eufy Security Video Smart Lock.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.